She washes the vegetables. She washes the vegetables. She lights the stove. She lights the stove. She cuts the vegetables. She cuts the vegetables. She boils the water. She boils the water. She puts oil in the pan. She puts oil in the pan. She fries the eggs. She fries the eggs. She stirs the soup. She stirs the soup. She adds salt to the curry. She adds salt to the curry. She mixes the flour and sugar. She mixes the flour and sugar. She kneads the dough. She kneads the dough. She peels the potatoes. She peels the potatoes. She cooks rice in the pot. She cooks rice in the pot. She tastes the food. She tastes the food. She washes the dishes. She washes the dishes. She cleans the table. She cleans the table. She pours tea into the cup. She pours tea into the cup. She serves the food. She serves the food. She covers the pot with a lid. She covers the pot with a lid. She turns off the stove. She turns off the stove. She sweeps the kitchen floor. She sweeps the kitchen floor. She dries her hands with a towel. She dries her hands with a towel. She throws the garbage in the bin. She throws the garbage in the bin.